Hi, Patrick from Jotform here to show you how to tag, segment, or add custom fields to your contacts with Jotform's Platformly integration. Start by logging into your company's .platformly subdomain, and then your individual account. Click the drop-down in the top right corner and select the Integrations tab. Go to All Integrations and select the Jotform icon. You'll need to enter your Jotform API key. In your Jotform account's API settings, you'll find your Platformly API key, which you can copy and paste into your Platformly account. Paste the code, click Check and Save, then click the Connect a New Form button. Then choose a form to integrate with. Name your integration and set it up by matching fields between the two platforms. You can choose to tag, segment, or add custom fields to your contacts. Save the rule to complete the integration. Now, when a user fills out your online form, the information will be sent straight to your Platformly account after a few minutes. To view your updated contacts, click on the Contacts tab in Platformly and select View Contacts. To view contacts in your dashboard, select Edit from the drop-down action menu. You can then view or update each contact's information in your Platformly account. And to see new segments or tags, just click the tab in the middle of your dashboard. That's it. Thanks for watching.